Yes, we are not murderers in the house, but we are men that come to put life into your relationship.
She may say she want murder. She says she want do that thing. I said I'm going to sing until I get out I can sing very well. She says she want murder.
You're shouting. That's how to...
She says she want do that thing, girl. Go that pitch, man, sing. Sure, you don't see any madam for summer.
Wagbai!
Oh, yeah, the girls them fun, but they
Wagbai!
Oh, yeah, no, them go carry, go corner, go shima.
Hey,
She want to you go, they were hard. Oh, yeah, seen and they were not
Okay.
Leave all these people for their own time.
Who told you?
Your pitch was lower than mine.
That means you don't know music. You just carry the pitch. You go. If you be DJ for club, I'm not cooking now.
I pick up from where you drop them. I can't read.
See where does it start from? Give us know when the team.
Me and you sing. Wait, you sing your own.
Me?
Nah, moderator.
I'm not a musician.
Moderator, tell us the reason why we are here.
My brother,
forget about this guy.
I beg my people in the house. You know, when we show to your TV screen, we are here to give you all the chatram things that has to do with relationship and marriage. But today, we started first with the musical thing because they are looking how to wax album. Please, all the producers.
I think I wax album.
Yes, wax.
They want to wax album.
What do you think that guy see wax?
You know, you get some things where you go, yeah, you know, say this person no be to repair. If you hear something like that, say, Donatus, bring tumbler for brother.
Hey, you know the person. Wax album. But meanwhile, I like as you know, someone talk some things when that yesterday when Melvin been there inside the studio, but we don't be fit, we not talking about that guy. No really try, not be to lie give you.
Why you go talk to Melvin?
If now you then leave you.
Anything we talk for person back now don't become gossip.
Nobody go.
What did you do when nobody by force to crank now? You know whether you try. The girl
say no.
No, I watched the thing steady now. Not seeing the girl, the beggar.
No be all way that they should give us now.
Now, you know, I won't pay for the exclusive this for online.
But they say if you go to the house, say if you just rush, they say now cranking, they
quick come out you.
Say or they just lose.
No, but this one when the person they beg you say you want.
But you know one thing I like Melvin for.
You should say like no one the way see me say. No the way see me say I know
showman go that big brother. You know where they go visit
showman
for the welcome party.
I tell you, when they will say me they call show their talent. Showman go this there go dance.
He go call the press guest.
Dance, come say me girls come and talk say you come the press. Say thank you.
You need to go.
When I read the house, my name is Showman. Leave all this way to talk.
We know you are showman.
Love doctor. We have been saving relationships. In fact,
in that case, ladies and gentlemen, my name is Shakara, comedian of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, CFR, aka the Comedy Taliban, aka the Three-Star Comedy General, aka your relationship vulcanizer on this show. So when your relationship gets flat tire, all I do, I can pump it to you.
I don't know. Say as I dey here, so I am a local Nigerian man. I am African. You run another person who's so you know me. I am your boy, your husband, your house boy. Any name one, very loyal to you. I am someone Ugo Matthews, the sex coordinator, aka sex expert. What
will that case line again?
To me.
It's a very good boyfriend.
It's a very good boyfriend. I am a very good boyfriend, Ugo Matthews.
Is there a bad boyfriend?
Yes, today the matter is very, very simple.
Not fake.
Or the fake. It's simple. We want us to really talk about it.
Okay, fire on.
If you get partner, either male or female, when we say one person can day, one regular person day, every time they buy a gift. Every time they buy a gift, today buy him iPhone 6, tomorrow they buy him this one, next tomorrow they buy him this one, he just give him gift everywhere. Even next tomorrow they buy a Range Rover. What will you do?
For the Christmas, and I buy a gift.
Hey, Ugo.
Have you buy for yourself?
Ugo Matthews.
No.
You don't come and deal. You come buy my wife gifts and you buy and gift. You stop that play at that junction. You try it, I conductor you, and in fact, hit you anywhere.
But you on your own, if you see a girl you like in your office, that you just like her because she's
Cholo, don't mention about office.
No, where he's working before he comes to the bar.
What do you want me to do?
Don't mention our office, too.
Why? Are there no people to love in the office?
Don't mention our office though, because if you bring our office into this matter, our office, all those guys in our office, bankruptcy.
But
Are you serious? No, not all.
But in the other hand, like seriously. It's not really wrong. It's not really wrong to buy someone a gift.
No, it's
not. Whether the person is married.
But if you don't turn to regular thing, you will say every time you buy a gift.
You know,
there's always a reason for you doing it.
There's a motive behind. There is always a motive behind it.
It must not be motive. Say you won't crank the person.
But they tell you say motive. They always.
For example, if I walk somewhere now, like me now, I am not very internet friendly.
We know you are not computerly.
I will point this way. Can you mad?
Sorry, I'm sorry.
I don't tell you before.
For example,
I said there's nothing. There's nothing.
Listen and listen.
You are well read.
Listen to my point.
When I say I'm beginning to do this now. Oh, showman, listen. I'm well read. I'm well traveled. When you travel, go beginning only.
Listen.
Okay, now, tell me.
A girl in my office that will help me finish my work. Maybe because I am too playful or I have a lot of things to do. I have some other things. Like now I am working in an office. I'm also an entertainer. So sometimes she helps me every day.
Who is this person?
At the come. See, she helps me every day. There's nothing wrong in me buying her gifts like every month.
Now,
that will not mean say I want to crank her.
No, you are.
That will mean say I just didn't appreciate her.
Shakara, do not water down this show.
But I'm telling you.
That's a different ball game entirely.
It's the same thing as buying a gift now.
Listen.
Okay, wait. Let's do like the showman. Let me put you on the spot.
Yeah.
Now, you get babe, serious girlfriend, relationship-wise, on the dates. Now, you get one particular guy with the always buy the babe gift. If it's not on a weekly basis, on a monthly basis, 24th, if they shower or anything. If the babe asks you for airtime, 1.5, you don't agree give him. The guy if you give him 10K. How you go feel or what you go do?
First and foremost,
put you on the spot.
You know they're good for a guy because he can be very degrading. In fact, even kill your self-esteem, get that moral again. And I like to talk about Bible because Bible talk and say, he said the way to your gifts will make way for you. You see that in gifts? There's no how you begin to give person something. One day, the babe can say, let me find out. Wetin be that thing where you really like she won't know your problems.
To know the reason why you give her. She go know already.
Hear me. She's not asking for the reason why they give her.
Then why she want to know?
Yeah, hear me. Listen to.
I didn't say those gifts.
Hear me first.
Said they care for you.
Let me tell you what I'm saying. What is going to ask you? You don't say that's what I'm going to carry. When you give person gift too much, the next way she call they ask you now. Ugo, I've been wondering every day. You're always nice to me, kind to me.
She can't want that. That's
wait
my point.
Now. You're not hearing me.
I wait now. You see
she said, I have been wondering. Hear me, I'm not finished.
You already make it obvious. You are helping me do this thing. That's why I'm giving you this gift. So why am I wondering?
Who made it obvious?
I made it obvious now.
That is your own angle
for always giving me lift. Hey,
that's your own angle. You never get it yet.
Like if you are driving,
and you will not cut this million.
Like when you were doing taxi for one girl, you always carrying her to work. If she start buying you gift, that means she's appreciating you for bringing her to work. So she have nothing to wonder about.
You are one-sided. You are now the one. Okay. Your motive, they're very clean. Person they help you. This one they help you anything. You get when they give your you don't get girlfriend. They give girls. You get girlfriend. I'm not finished now. Okay. Ugo, I'm talking to you where I don't say get serious girlfriend now. Your girlfriend now.
Who be Ugo girlfriend? You don't answer.
You
when not say get. I bet who be your girlfriend? You when they talk rubbish, they defend the person for court.
Okay,
you never get point.
Okay, wait. Now my girlfriend now.
Please, Skyman, I'm going for street because
when we come back, I must finish this thing because I want.
So,